The soon-to-arrive DJI Pocket Camera is shaping up to be one of DJI's most thrilling product launches in recent years. And a new wave of leaks emerging from Shenzhen is adding serious momentum to the buzz, especially among vloggers, travel filmmakers, content creators, and anyone chasing high-quality, ultra-portable cinematic gear. Reports arriving from China indicate that DJI staff were spotted testing the Pocket 4 side-by-side with the current Pocket 3 in a DJI store in Shenzhen. This isn't just a casual demo. The images and videos floating around suggest that the Pocket 4 is already deep into pre-release evaluation, with real-world stress tests taking place, notably for stabilization, sensor performance, and low-light capability in handheld urban environments. Rumors around the Pocket 4 first emerged many months ago, with tech insiders and drone filmmaker community leakers dropping hints of internal NDAs and teaser footage with locations like Barcelona mentioned. Almost simultaneously, leaked photos began circulating of what appears to be the final design of the Pocket 4. Around 27 October 2025, multiple sources reportedly confirmed that production of the Pocket 4 has officially started, setting up a likely launch window between December 2025 and January 2026. The latest images from Shenzhen provide the clearest look yet at this upcoming micro-camera powerhouse. In the shots, a DJI employee or a beta tester is seen lining up the new Pocket 4 directly next to the Pocket 3, capturing low-light urban footage in real-world conditions, clearly aimed at testing the upgraded sensor and stabilization system under challenging conditions. On the design front, the Pocket 4 appears leaner and much slimmer than the boxier Pocket 3 silhouette. According to the leak, the new unit weighs around 116 g, representing about a 35% reduction compared to the previous generation's 179 g body, making it far more comfortable for extended handheld shooting, travel vlogging, or on-the-move creative workflows. Design changes go beyond just weight. The control layout beneath the screen looks refined. Buttons and ports appear more ergonomically placed. And while image quality from leaked photos is imperfect, it's clear that DJI is concentrating on user-friendly ergonomics for creators on the go. Regarding release and pricing, insiders suggest that the Pocket 4 will debut around December 2025 to January 2026, priced at approximately $699–$799 for the standard version, with a possible Pro variant reaching $899 or more, potentially with dual lens support or expanded features. Meanwhile, the Pocket 3's price has dropped, which may prompt creators who can't wait to upgrade yet still want high-quality pocket gimbal gear. If these leaks prove accurate, the Pocket 4 represents not just an incremental upgrade, but a serious re-engineering of DJI's pocket gimbal camera notion, reducing bulk, improving portability, and still delivering pro-level image quality. The previous Pocket 3 was celebrated for its large sensor, rotatable screen, and gimbal head, which made it a formidable tool, but it still carried a degree of bulk. With the streamlined Pocket 4 form factor, DJI seems to be balancing pro capability with truly pocket-sized design by perhaps shifting internal components, redesigning the gimbal architecture, and optimizing layout and weight distribution to suit the needs of vloggers, travel filmmakers, and everyday creators alike. From a content creation perspective, what this all means is exciting. The appearance of final safety, regulatory, and battery documents signals that DJI has moved past concept and prototyping into full hardware testing, typically one of the last major phases before launch. The lighter weight of 116 g could indicate this is the base model, with the heavier Pro variant still to arrive later. DJI is also reportedly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory globally, an action often associated with preparing a successor launch. Battery life improvements are expected, possibly extending to around 180 minutes of continuous runtime, while low-light performance and integrated audio upgrades are also anticipated. For creators on the move, vloggers exploring cities, travelers documenting stories, filmmakers capturing B-roll, this signals a camera that aims to deliver high-end outputs in a truly portable setup. In short, this isn't DJI just adding minor tweaks. The Pocket 4 is a strong message to rival compact camera makers. DJI is doubling down on handheld content creation gear, not stepping back. While DJI remains silent publicly, the leaks are broadcasting loud and clear. The Pocket 4 isn't just another upgrade. It may well redefine what pocket camera means in 2025 and beyond. Switching gears now to another upcoming launch. The next-generation action camera from DJI, often referred to as the Action 6. Just ahead of the reveal, DJI dropped an official teaser and confirmed pricing for Europe and the UK, ramping up the hype further. Hands-on images have emerged of the Action 6 prototype alongside the existing Action 5 Pro, and the differences are immediately striking. The new model appears slightly taller and thicker, especially built for better heat dissipation during long shoots in high-resolution or extreme environments. DJI seems to have chosen performance and reliability over ultra-compactness. Inside the Action 6, rumors speak of an internal metallic frame that doubles as a heatsink, a sensible choice for creators filming extended high frame rate or 8K footage. The lens assembly has been redesigned too, with a chunkier bezel and wider protective glass, giving the camera a rugged, premium look. The overall front design is more industrial, but that signals functionality. Better light intake, improved low-light color accuracy, and more consistent stabilization under demanding conditions. DJI appears to keep key features like the quick-release cage from the Action 4 series, now with smoother clips and improved airflow management. The camera also reportedly ships pre-fitted with a lens cover and rubber protector, plus a waterproofing reminder tag to ensure users engage properly before diving. Classic DJI attention to safety, build quality and user experience. Under the hood, the Action 6 is rumored to feature a sensor size of roughly 1.1 inch, which is a meaningful step up from the 1.3 inch sensors found in previous generations. In the world of action cams, every fraction of an inch matters. A larger sensor means brighter, sharper footage, improved dynamic range and cinematic color depth, particularly vital for vloggers, travelers, extreme sports creators, and content creators looking to elevate their image quality even in tough lighting. Early pricing leaks suggest the standard combo might be around $379 in Europe, $379 in the UK, and approximately $379. The Adventure Bundle may cost $479 Europe, $419 UK, $479. With a reported launch date of 18th November 2025, anticipation for the Action 6 is mounting fast. When you're a creator, battery life and durability matter. The Action 5 Pro offered up to around 4 hours of 4K recording. The Action 6 is expected to push this further, focusing on uninterrupted high-res recording and robust performance for long sessions. Durability is also key. The Action 5 Pro could survive waterproof depths of 20 mm. The Action 6 aims to match or exceed that, aimed squarely at adventure filming, travel documentaries, and high-intensity sports capture. So when you ask, which camera should you choose? The choice between the Action 5 Pro and Action 6 is a real one. The Action 5 Pro is tried, tested, and delivers now. Ideal if you're ready to shoot today. The Action 6, however, offers next-gen features, possible 8K recording, refined AI stabilization, ultra-wide field of view, upgraded audio integration, and smartwatch connectivity for remote control and metadata overlay creation. The question becomes, do you play it safe now, or ready yourself for the future? As a creator, content maker, traveler, vlogger, or filmmaker, this is more than just specs. It's about choosing the right camera for your story, for your next adventure, for your channel. Which side are you on? Will you stick with the dependable Action 5 Pro today? Or are you ready to leap forward into the future with the Action 6 and embrace what's coming? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this isn't merely about cameras. It's about capturing moments, telling stories, creating cinematic footage, and defining your channel's future. The race is on, and from what we're seeing, DJI might just be rewriting the rules for portable content creation gear.